When it comes to seamless multi-room audio, quality speakers transform your listening experience. Best Airplay 2 speakers deliver crisp, powerful sound and effortless connectivity across all your Apple devices, bringing music, podcasts, and movies to life like never before. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WiiM Mini Airplay 2 Speaker. The WiiM Mini Airplay 2 speaker is a versatile solution for anyone looking to transform a standard stereo system into a smart audio hub. By acting as an Airplay 2 receiver, it allows you to stream music from iOS and Mac devices or even transmit TV audio directly from Apple TV, all while maintaining the high fidelity of your existing speakers. The device excels in delivering unaltered, high-resolution audio up to 24-bit/192 kHz through its digital and analog outputs, preserving the artist's original sound without resampling. This means that whether you are listening to Tidal master tracks, Amazon Music Ultra HD, Qobuz, or your personal music library, you experience every nuance and detail as intended. Gapless playback ensures smooth transitions between tracks, making continuous listening seamless and immersive. Beyond Airplay 2, the WiiM Mini supports Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and Amazon Music Cast, offering superior audio quality and extended range over traditional Bluetooth receivers. Users can enjoy streaming directly from their favorite apps while freeing their mobile devices for other tasks. Integration with voice assistants like Siri and Alexa provides additional convenience, allowing music control, volume adjustment, and playback management via voice commands from a HomePod, Echo, or mobile device. Number 2. WiiM Multiroom Airplay 2 Speaker. The WiiM Multiroom Airplay 2 speaker is designed to bring professional-level audio to any home environment, transforming passive speakers into smart, multi-room capable sound systems. Powered by the WiiM amp, it delivers 60 watts per channel at 8 ohms, or an impressive 120 watts at 4 ohms, providing ample power for floor standing, bookshelf, architectural, or outdoor speakers. Despite its compact size, the WiiM amp ensures rich, immersive sound with excellent clarity and depth, making it suitable for both music and home theater applications. The included WiiM Home app provides intuitive control, allowing users to manage streaming services, set favorites, adjust volume, and sync multiple rooms with ease. Whether you prefer Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, or your own music library, the speaker system integrates seamlessly with your preferred platforms, while voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri adds a hands-free option for convenience. The HDMI ARC port enables easy TV connectivity, delivering a cinematic audio experience, and adding a powered subwoofer enhances low-end performance for movies and gaming. Multi-room functionality allows users to pair existing Airplay 2, Echo, Google Home, or WiiM devices to create a cohesive audio experience throughout the home. High-resolution audio up to 24-bit by 192 kHz ensures detailed, precise sound. Number 3. WiiM Pro Plus Airplay 2 Speaker. The WiiM Pro Plus Airplay 2 speaker offers a premium streaming experience for those seeking superior sound quality and smart connectivity. Acting as an Airplay 2 receiver, it allows seamless streaming from iOS and Mac devices, as well as Apple TV audio, while also supporting Google Cast for access to hundreds of music, podcast, and TV apps. High-resolution streaming up to 24-bit/192 kHz on digital and analog outputs ensures that every track is delivered with studio-level fidelity, offering gapless playback and bit-perfect audio. Tidal master users benefit from MQA decoding up to 24-bit/96 kHz, while Amazon Music Ultra HD, Qobuz, and personal libraries provide a similar high-resolution listening experience. Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and Amazon Music streaming are also supported, providing superior audio quality and extended range compared to traditional Bluetooth receivers, freeing mobile devices for other tasks. The speaker's multi-room capabilities allow synchronization across multiple Airplay 2, Google Cast, or Alexa-enabled devices, including Echo and HomePod, while also linking multiple WiiM devices for consistent playback in every room. Number 4. Belkin SoundForm Airplay 2 speaker. The Belkin SoundForm Connect Airplay 2 speaker adapter brings wireless streaming capabilities to any existing speaker setup. By converting standard speakers into Airplay 2-enabled devices, it allows users to stream music directly from iOS and Mac devices with ease. This compact adapter simplifies home audio by providing wireless control over multiple speakers through your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, enabling seamless multi-room audio management. The SoundForm Connect delivers high-fidelity sound, combining the quality of your current speaker system with the convenience of wireless streaming, making it ideal for both casual listeners and audio enthusiasts. Setup is straightforward. Connect the adapter to power and your speakers, and you are ready to enjoy Airplay-enabled audio within minutes. The adapter supports all basic Airplay 2 functions, including volume control, playback management, and integration with other Airplay 2 compatible devices, offering a flexible solution for modern home audio. Its design ensures it remains unobtrusive while providing excellent audio performance, and the wireless controls eliminate the clutter of cables. Users can manage their speakers individually or in groups, creating a unified audio environment in any room of the house. Whether for music, podcasts, or streaming from Apple TV, the Belkin SoundForm Connect provides a reliable and high-quality streaming experience. Number 5. Audio Pro C5 MK Airplay 2 speaker. The Audio Pro C5 MK Airplay 2 speaker is a compact yet powerful home speaker designed for versatile wireless streaming. Combining Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Airplay 2, and Spotify Connect, it allows seamless integration with smartphones, computers, and streaming services, providing a flexible and user-friendly experience. Its high-fidelity audio delivers rich, dynamic sound, ideal for music, movies, and podcasts, offering crystal-clear clarity and deep bass. Setup is quick and simple, requiring just a Wi-Fi connection and minimal configuration via the accompanying app or preset buttons. The Airplay 2 support allows integration with other compatible devices for multi-room streaming, making it easy to fill the home with synchronized audio. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably into any space without compromising on sound quality. The speaker's versatile wireless connectivity ensures reliable streaming across a variety of platforms, supporting high-resolution audio for listeners seeking superior sound performance. Whether used for casual listening, home entertainment, or filling multiple rooms with music, the C5MK provides consistent and immersive audio. Its user-friendly interface allows control via smartphone, tablet, or voice commands through compatible devices, ensuring convenience and flexibility. The combination of hi-fi stereo performance, multi-platform support, and Airplay 2 compatibility makes the Audio Pro C5MK a standout option for modern homes. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.